Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the top 10 automobile software development companies adopt technology for transfer the automotive sector. The automotive industry will never ceases to grow technologically with the each passing day. Numerous automobile manufacturing firms choose to make their processes efficient by adopting automation, AI, ML, and LOT. To make it happen, several automotive software development companies assist the automotive industry. Our teach expert conducted a review of the most powerful automotive product development companies. While researching, our team identified that different companies fall under the different categories of technological development. We have classified the companies into three levels based on their degree of use of modern technology. Read on as we walk you through it. Here is the list of top automotive software companies. Rising Max Automotive Software Development Company. Rising Max scope of services is rich and consists of developing solutions for connected and internet cars, telematics, EV charging, smart bikes, navigations and mapping, HMI and security. On scrolling through their technology section, modern technologies like blockchain, AI and machine learning, cloud computing, AR, VR, big data and LOT. Rising Max is amongst the most trusted and result-oriented automotive engineering companies, backed by the highly experienced team of developers, testers and business developers. The company is rising as a credited of the excellence that clients reviews, automails and the case studies exhibit their level of expertise. Amazingly, it proved be the right development partner for many automotive companies and successfully delivered numerous projects. To back our research, we analyzed the relevant case studies on the company's website. Automotive software company with the advent of trends like connectivity classifications and the shared mobility automotive engineering consistency firm like Intellius are carving a special place of the marketplace. The company offers phenomenal automotive software development services by leveraging the potential of technology like blockchain, AI, ML, big data, and LOT. The company solutions suite consists of automotives, driving, and ADAS, digital cockpit connectivity, and telematics. The automotive back end system, the company has been delivering production grade software used by OEMs and the tier 1 suppliers across the globe. Various automotive companies trust Intelli's for their safe and AI based software. Additionally, the eye grabbing success stories and genuine client reviews further strengthen its position and reputation as an automotive engineering consistency firm. We would now like to take you towards seeking an answer to our central question. After all, you are here not just to know about the top automotive engineering companies but beyond that too. Subsicom Solution Automobile App Development Company. Sophiscom Solutions is another company that caught our attention. The company offers web and mobile app designing, development, and digital marketing services. One of the prime reasons behind the Sophiscom solution being counted amongst the top automotive product development companies, it is the ability to deliver solutions possessing stunning designs and functionality. Moreover, the company's customer-centric approach make it a stand apart from the crowd. The team developers at Subscom Solutions knows the knock to build a highly functional platforms for the automotive industry and match their modern needs. Its real-time solutions have assisted many automotive companies in the obtaining the perfect result. Besides, the client reviews tell a lot about their expertise and approach towards the developing the right solutions. Deloitte is one of the most reliable and tech-driven automotive software development companies that have transformed the automotive sector with their modern solution. This product company has introduced revolutionary services to the automotive world and thus assisted many companies by bringing them to the forefront. InfoPlus offers a full cycle of automotive software development services that are highly flexible and scalable. Its 30 year of presence in the market has allowed many automotive companies to leverage its expertise and outgrow the competition. The company's software development processes are based on ASPICE, AUTOSAR, ISO 26262, and the MISRA C++ standard, the best international practices, being one of the top automotive engineering consistency firm. InfoPlus is at the dominant position and has earned massive recognition for its back-to-back successful projects.